Hi, I welcome you to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be taking you through bullets and numbering, some tips about it. Let's say we have a list. We have cat, we have dog, we have um, book, we have steel. We have this list. I want to add bullets to it or even numbers. So how do we add it in such a way that the color of the bullet of the numbering is different from the color of the text if you want to format it that way? That's one. The second thing I'll be teaching you is what if you want to use the logo of your organization as the bullets? How do you do that? So um, I hope you pay rapt attention. So let's start with this. Can I add more? It's a laptop. Now you highlight this, then you go to this section, bullets. If it is bullets, but if it is numbering, you come here. It is yours, one, two, depending on the kind of bullets you want or numbering that you want. I'm taking this square. Now you will see that this bullet is black while the list tree is black, and changing the font color of the text will change the color of the numbering of the bullets as well. What if you don't want it like that? You want your bullets to be red, but you don't want your text to be red. So how do you do that? What we do is we highlight, we come here to bullets. So this one, you click on this bullets and numbering, then you change the color here. You change the color here. Color, I want red. So I want red. You can actually increase the size. You can increase the size of the bullets here, and you can say okay, it will become bigger. So we have red bullets while our text is still black. So we can increase the font. So get it now. Now that's one. What if I want the logo of my organization? I want it there. So let me create another list. Aminat Ayabami. These are names of my friends. Titi. This is my own name. Wahab. Tuyi. Addis Queen. So I have this list now. So I want to put the logo of my organization. So I will do this. Bullet and numbering again. Then picture. Picture. I'm working offline. I want to do that. That's where the picture I want to pick is, on my local system. So let's take this. Double click. So I have it. You can see. So let me increase the font so that I can see it very well. So instead of the default or the kind of bullets that you have, you can put your own image as well and put it. I hope you've learned something from this tutorial, and I urge you to subscribe to this channel as well. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.